Good morning, students. This is Mahendra, lecturer in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss differentiation. In this differentiation, we have to prepare differentiation formula. Okay, first of all, let y is equal to f of x be a function. Then dy by dx or f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h is called a first principle of differentiation. Okay, limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by first is called as first principle of differentiation. Okay, dy by dx means the rate of change of y with respect to x. Okay, the rate of change of y with respect to x or differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, these formulas are defined from this first principle of differentiation. Differentiation of a constant k is a constant, differentiation of k is 0, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of x cube is 3x square, differentiation of x power 4 is 4 into x to the power of 3, differentiation of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1, derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x, derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square, derivative of 1 by x square is equal to minus 2 divided by x power 3, derivative of 1 by x to the power of n is equal to minus n divided by x to the power of n plus 1. Okay, we can read as our derivative of or differentiation of or okay d by dx of okay derivative of e to the power of x is equal to e to the power of x, derivative of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. These two are exponential functions. These are all algebraic functions. These are all algebraic differentiation. These are all differentiation of exponential functions. Differentiation of logarithmic function. Derivative of logarithm of x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. Okay, these are all trigonometry functions. Okay, differentiation of trigonometry functions. Okay, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x is secant square x, derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x, derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x, derivative of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x, derivative of sin hx is equal to cos hx, derivative of cos hx is equal to sin hx, derivative of tan hx is equal to secant h square x, derivative of cot hx is equal to minus cosecant h square x, derivative of cosecant hx is equal to minus cosecant hx into cot hx, derivative of secant hx is equal to minus secant hx into tan hx. These are all hyperbolic functions, hyperbolic trigonometry functions. Okay, now derivative of sin derivative of sin ax is equal to a into cos ax, derivative of cos ax is equal to minus a into sin ax, derivative of tan ax is equal to a into secant square ax, derivative of cot ax is equal to minus a into cosecant square ax, derivative of cosecant ax is equal to minus a into cosecant ax into cot ax, derivative of secant ax is equal to a into secant ax into tan ax. Okay, differentiation of a function of a function. Okay, differentiation of a function, that means ax is a function of a function treated as x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of ax is equal to a. Okay, therefore derivative of sin ax is equal to a into cos ax. These are all differentiation of a function of a function. Differentiation of a function is called as a chain rule. Okay, derivative of e to the power of ax is equal to a into e to the power of ax. Derivative of e power minus ax is equal to minus a into e to the power of minus ax. Okay, these are trigonometric inverse differentiation of inverse trigonometry functions. Derivative of sin inverse of x is equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of secant inverse of x is equal to 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1. Derivative of cosecant inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1. These are all differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, these two are same, plus minus. These two are same, plus minus. These two are same, but different is plus, here plus is minus. Now differentiation of hyperbolic trigonometric functions. Inverse hyperbolic. Derivative of sin h inverse of x is equal to 1 by under root of 1 plus x square. Derivative of cos h inverse of x is equal to 1 by under root of x square minus 1. Derivative of tan h inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay, these are the general rules for differentiation. Okay, let u comma v and w are any three functions of x, then derivative of k into u. Okay, u is a function, k is a constant, therefore k into derivative of u. Differentiation of a constant into function is equal to constant into differentiation of a function. Okay, where k is constant. Okay, derivative of u plus or minus v plus or minus w, that means differentiation of a sum is equal to sum of the differentiation, that is du by dx plus or minus dv by dx plus or minus dw by dx. Differentiation of u into v, this is called as a product rule. Differentiation of u into v is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay, differentiation of a first function into second function is equal to first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. Differentiation of product of three functions, that is d by dx of u into v into w is equal to du by dx into vw plus u into dv by dx into w plus u into v into dw by dx. Okay, d by dx of u by v is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. This is called as a quotient rule. Okay, prepare very well. Thank you. These are the most important formulas. Okay, thank you.